Time now for the weekly Ray of Hope feature. In this week's feature, we look at the work of the mustard seed communities in helping physically and mentally challenged individuals who are in state care.
A ray of hope. When wards of the state reach adulthood, the support they get from the government normally disappears, oftentimes leaving some who are mentally and physically challenged without a place to call home. But here at the Mustard Seed Communities in Jacob's Ladder, Monique St. Anne, a ray of hope still shines for wards who would have normally been turned out on the streets after reaching 18.
They can't do it on their own. They always need supervision.
Occupying 150 acres of mined-up bauxite land is a safety net for close to 100 residents, some of whom have either been abandoned or underserved.
What we do is try to rehabilitate the individuals so they can become their best selves. We take in individuals, the functionality of the individual is very low, all right? They need help in terms of everything.
Under the supervision of caregivers, the residents seem contented, some getting a peace of mind from having a permanent place to call home.
You go and visit them, you see the smiles.
I'm grateful for it because you have life in spite of the circumstances.
The caregivers, they are very good.
Most of them we come talk to me and run show.
And they treat me good.
But as the saying goes, it takes cash to care. And so, when volunteers like these overseas missionaries who are constructing additional homes for the wards come and offer a helping hand, it makes the whole purpose of giving a ray of hope worthwhile.
Construction is not the only thing that we do. We try to mingle with the residents, we spend time with them, and we try to give them hope like that too. Like, you know, we love you. We do love them.
Executive Director of the Mustard Seed Communities, Darcy Toller Williams, says it's more than just offering care.
We do it because there's a need. There's a need, and we are committed to bringing hope and joy to the people who we interface with.
With a ray of hope, I'm Ken Morgan.
A ray of hope.